When your account starts getting larger and more complex, using filters in the interface can really help you focus on the parts that are most important to the task at hand. Filters let you quickly isolate specific keywords, campaigns, ad groups, ads, and more that match certain criteria. And that criteria includes not just all the metrics that are being tracked in AdWords, but even dimensions like campaign names or match types or labels and more. You can also combine multiple rules to create a single filter, and you can then save your filters so they're easy to pull up in the future after you've spent the time to create them once. Let's take a couple of examples that can help you drill down on some important areas of your account. First, let's say we want to go find some really good performing keywords that might have an opportunity to get even better by being higher up the page with their ad position. Heading to the Keywords tab for all online campaigns and creating a filter like this one can be a quick way to find all of them and then take some actions like upping the bids or working on quality score to get a higher position. I'll choose Create Filter from the Filter dropdown. And first, I'll make sure the cost per converted click is good, let's say less than $30. Next, I'll make sure that I've got at least a bare number of conversions, maybe 10. Last, I'll limit the results to keywords that are averaging worse than the third position. Applying this filter would give me some great keywords to focus on with a lot of potential. Another example might be to find some really low-performing keywords. I could change this filter to look for keywords that cost me a lot but don't give me much value in terms of conversions. So maybe I'll look at keywords that have cost me more than $100 but haven't given me more than one converted click. When I apply this filter, I can quickly run through the list to either pause, decrease bids, or investigate further what's happening. Another example might be to look at keywords with lots of impressions but a low click-through rate. Here, I can set some thresholds for both of these metrics, and I can look through the filtered list to examine these keywords in more detail. Applying this filter, I might want to ask myself some questions about the results. Are these keywords relevant to my business? If they're not, maybe I'll want to pause them. Are these keywords located in tightly themed ad groups? If they're not, maybe I want to create a separate ad group with a more specific theme and extremely relevant ads and landing pages. And note that I could filter this further by things like which particular ad groups I want to focus on. Last, if you think you'll be using any of these filters again, all you have to do is give it a name, and then next time you look in your filters dropdown, you'll see it there, ready and waiting. These are, of course, just a few of the ways you can use filters to really focus your attention on areas for improvement and optimization. And hopefully you'll be creating lots of these to help out your day-to-day account management strategies as well.